Hi, welcome to the Coast Home Improvement installation video. As you can see, this is before the tear out occurs as the existing countertops. And we bring them in and start unloading them from our truck, such as this. We put the countertops right on top of your existing cabinets after the old ones are torn off. And once everything's ready, we bring in the pieces and put them in one by one to make sure everything fits accordingly. And once they're all in, we start to level and glue and make sure everything is exactly how it needs to be before we seam it. Seaming it is a tedious process. We put the glue in and then take these Gorilla Grip suction cups to pull it in so that there's no air gaps and it dries perfectly, so that the seam will come out virtually seamless where you can barely see it, like this. There will always be a seam, but they're hard to find. We make sure to seal everything from water from under the countertops to above the backsplash and in between. And for an undermount sink, we have everything from sink clips to silicone from everything so it'll never fall off and never leak. So after the whole process is done, which takes a day, we will turn your old kitchen that may look something like this into a brand new area, which will look something like this. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed.